Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. I'm back when I hit and I smash a bang. I know people, you already know what time it is. Yeah, man, people, from the track, you see what we're dealing with today. Yeah, man, people, I'm back in the lab with an artist that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah, man, today we're here with Squash Midnight. And we're gonna check it out and see what's popping. See if it's a hit or a miss. You already know. But before we even jump in the track, guys, I just want to take this time and hit the like and subscribe button. You know, turn on the post notification bell so you get my videos as soon as I upload it. The like really help your boy, y'all, help the channel grow. You already know we're trying to take over the YouTube game, bro. Y'all, we're the latest. And I have access, dopest, maddest, sickest reaction channel on YouTube, man. You need to stay tuned. You're missing out. If you listen to anybody else for reaction and reviews, you're missing out. You're doing yourself a disservice. You see me? Yeah, man, people, let's get it. Yeah, man, today we're back in the lab with Squash. You don't know Mr. Six Boss himself, Mr. Whittaker, Mr. Foot. Yeah, man, he dropped a new song called Midnight. We're going to check it out and see how we're going today. You see me? We ain't going to hold up much longer because y'all should know Squash by now. You know what I'm saying? And we're there for the vibes. You see me? We're there for the vibes. We're there for the dopeness, the sickness. So we just want straight bangers. So we just want to see the artist and drop bangers. This is Squash Midnight. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Active, you know? Check out my lifestyle. Check out my lifestyle. Long ride for the bass disguise with that Asian bitch. Yeah, she thick like.
Yeah, man. You're the beater, man. The vibes. That come with vibes from this one. That's check out my lifestyle. Come in. Fully active. Yeah, man, the girl go on, man. Come in, man.
Me rich like, so me live life. Champagne boss, split flight. Breaking on me pocket and no Bitcoin. Yeah. Dark and corrupt, midnight. Cold killer boss your face, me no fist fight.
Ooh, come in, man. Cute, dark, midnight. So yes, me no deal with fist fight around here. Come in, man. Vibes. This one I'm talking about. Come in. We love tuned vibe. Come in.
Fresh, miss, mass, more, nah, joke. Black 23 on the seat, night coat. Dial and run, every day me get the phone.
Come in, man, come in.
Hot, city man here. Black fire, pan clear.
Yo, that song is bad, yo. Vibes, this is what we're talking about. Yeah, man, we know to feel the energy. A very high energy, very high paced. You know what I'm saying? Real dope, that bass hitting. You know what I'm saying? The beat, mother. Who made the beat? Squash. I like Squash beat choice. You see me, lyrics and everything always just work so well together. Come in, Squash. Come in,
Body bang.
Easy, mama. Easy. Yeah, man. No, I can't let out the woman them and I nothing what we do. Don't it? Let's get it.
Going every man afraid. Earthquake, so we jerk place. South Spring, where me from, birthplace. Never fall off me the first place.
Never fall off in the first place. Dog, I remind them, you know. Say y'all might be chilling. I might be vibing, but me not fall off. Come on.
641, I know 69. When killer drop a
man say 641, I know 69. 641, I know 69.
Jail we a kill time. 6 bars outside with a big 9. Dopey me a make and I sing rhyme. Check out my Cartier glass. What the fuck gonna feel? Chop the line, money talk. Make we fuck up his game.
Ooh, man say yo. What the fuck gonna feel? Chop the line, Cartier glass. I like how the dog switch up the floor. Can I bring it back, people? Can I pull it up? It's so
yeah,
nice.
make and I sing rhyme. Check out my Cartier glass. What the fuck gonna feel? Chop the line, money talk. Make we fuck up his game. Jana Daniel.
We have to pull that back up again. Come in.
Gonna feel. Chop the line, money talk. Make we fuck up his game. Jana Daniel, the evil laugh. Rap chat. Money come. Just toast, gal, they get enough.
Money come. Toast, enough.
This chopper be capping, young nigga, please stop it. 6 bars got the matic in face, me clap it.
These choppers be capping, young niggas, please stop it. 6 bars got the
Had a roll, got my focus, my nigga. Making dollars and counting the figures.
Ooh, so that got pop pill now. Squash a pop pill. The man say, Adderall got me focused, my nigga. Yo, come on.
The red NSC fuck up my liver. Percocet have my mind flowing like river. Spitting these lyrics and gunshot deliver.
Dog, I take Percocet, Adderall. So you go and say you're Yankee out. Huh?
My mind. The girl love me. Oh, I. My mind. Okay, sir. Chick like now, them afraid of fuck.
Cheap like no, I'm afraid of fuck. Y'all also said that the other day when in the message on IG with a little back and forth between my popcorn. Hey, but hey,
check out my lifestyle. Long ride for the bass disguise with that Asian bitch. Yeah, she thick like me rich like so me live life. Champagne boss, split flight.
Champagne boss, split flight. Let's get it.
Breaking on me pocket and no Bitcoin. Dark and corrupt, midnight. Cold killer boss your face, me no fist fight.
Dark and corrupt, midnight. Cold killer boss your face, me no fist fight. Easy.
Fresh, miss, bass, more, nah, joke. Black 23 on the seat, like go. Dial
Man say Glock 23 on the seat, like. When say like go?
Every day me get the food.
This is a vibe, people. Let me know what y'all think about this one. This is a vibe, people. Come on.
Hot, see the man here. Black fire, pan clear. Car one gear. Body pan ground, every man afraid. Earthquake, so me jerk place.
Hold on there. Wait. The dog. Hold on. Anyway, dog.
Black fire, pan clear. One gear, body pan ground, every man afraid. Earthquake, so me jerk place. South Spring, where me from?
Think dog, I into what in a this, bro.
Black 23 on the seat, like go. Dial and run, every day me get the food. Hot, see the man here. Black fire, pan clear.
Hot, see the man here. Cheap black fire, pan clear.
One gear, body pan ground, every man afraid. Earthquake, so me jerk place.
Body pan ground, every man afraid. Earthquake, that's how we jerk.
South Spring, where me from? Birthplace. Never fall off me the first place. 641 and no 69. When killer drop a G.
641 and no 69. Behave.
We a kill time. 6 bars outside with a big 9. Don't be me a make and I sing rhyme.
Mad, yo, that's sick, people. That mad, yeah man. You did a good job, clap him. Yeah man, Squash, yeah man, he did that one. Yo, Squash look like him back on the vibes and back in him back again. Yeah man, that was Squash Midnight, real dope track, people. Yeah man, let me know what y'all think about that one. Definitely go drop the comments in the comment section. Drop the fire, garbage can emoji, whatever it is. Let me know what y'all think about this one. This one mad. You see me? I feel like it definitely go show the artist some love and support. Let them know that Jambisco done send you. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let me know the Jambisco done army lit over here. You already know. Yeah man, people. Yeah man, and you gonna see me comment over there too. So definitely go check it out. Let's show quite some love and support. Drop your comments in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think. Drop your favorite part, beat, lyrics. Whatever, let me hear your thoughts about this one. You know what I'm saying? Let me know your thoughts about all the tracks, all the videos I've reacted. Let me know your thoughts about all of them. Drop it in the comment section so we can chop it up, talk about it. You already know we're going strong over here, guys. I appreciate your love and support. Let me know what y'all want me to react to next, and I'll get it done. Whether it's music, comedy, news, just things going on. You know what I'm saying? Definitely let me know and definitely get it done. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. Until next time, guys, I was here with another hit and a smash now. Panga. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.